Hello guys, welcome to Master G Programming video tutorials. I will be continuing the last video that I have teach you. If you remember that I have created a class fruit. So I will be explaining this program part and I will run this program in this part and you will surely understand the meaning of polymorphism after this tutorial. I am damn sure. So we will be starting with the first line. I have created a class fruit in which I have created two variables, color and shape. Color will hold the color of the two fruits that I have created below this, apple and orange, and shape will also be different of apple and orange. So I have taken two variables. I haven't make a difference between the shape or the color of apple and orange. I have used a single variable for both the shapes of the apple and orange and both the color for the apple and orange. I haven't created two different variables. Now comes the feature. Feature will be the common part in both the apple and orange, but it will be the different. Feature will be the common function between apple and orange, but it will give the different output in the different way of calling. So how does it will work? I will tell you. First of all, I have created an object of the apple class. I have created an object of the orange class. This, if you remember, this I have done. Then there comes a character function in the apple class. So to access the character function of the apple class, which will print the color of the apple. Remember this thing, color of the apple. So we have to pass the color of the apple while creating an object of the apple class. If you can see in the main function, I have created an object of the apple class, I have created an object of the orange class. Then there is two pointer which hold the address of apple and orange. This is the main thing which will be performing the polymorphism in both the functions. What it will do is that it will pass the shape of the apple through f1 pointer, which will print the shape of the apple here. You can see it here, shape of the apple shape. So this shape is equivalent to as apple and this shape is equivalent to round. This shape is equivalent to round. You can see it here, round. So this round is equivalent to the shape in the orange class. This red is the color. It will equivalent to the color in the character function of the apple class. Listen carefully, don't be confused in this thing. This orange will be the color which will be the value of the color in the orange class and in the character function. So here is the example of polymorphism. Color is a single variable, but it has different values in character function of the apple class and character function of orange class. Similarly, the shape, it differs in both the classes. Shape of apple is equivalent to as apple. Shape of orange is equivalent to round. But the variable is same. So there is the polymorphism of the shape and the apple, shape and the color. The polymorphism has been performed on the two variables, shape and color. We haven't changed the name of the variables. We have keep the variable name same, but the different is the output that we see. But the problem is that it is bit annoying to use the different variables object name to call the different function. It is bit confusing and as well as bit complex to use the feature function through f1 and f2 and character function through a and o. I want that we want one object for character and feature both the functions. There is bit different because feature is the function of the fruit class and character is the function of the apple class. But I want that they both require a similar object to be called. So this is the main problem in this program, that I will be clearing this problem. I will be solving this problem in the next tutorial with the new concept that is known as virtual function. I will be teaching you the virtual function and this problem will be solved in this next tutorial. So before that, I have told you how this program will run and what is the basic use of the polymorphism in this program. I will run this program. The last thing that will be, so here is the output. Color of apple is red. Shape of apple is apple. Shape of apple is apple. Color of orange is orange. Shape of orange is round. So that's all. From this part, we will be continuing this program itself in the next tutorial to solve the problem that I have told. Thank you. If you are new, so do subscribe our channel.